Okay, hello everybody. Hi, good morning. I'm Amitava Chowdhury. I'm the chair of the Department of History here at Queen's, where I also serve as the director of the Global History Initiative. On behalf of my colleague Daniel Woolf, and let me welcome all of you to the Global History Initiative's 2024 conference, Global History Remapping Categories and Concepts. Let me also welcome you to the Department of History at Queen's and to Queen's University, and indeed to Kingston, Ontario. It's a good time of the year to visit Kingston. The humid, hot days of late summer are gone and the harsh winter hasn't set in yet. And the sunny autumn days fill me with hopes about the future of history and humanities and this university. Daniel and I have been planning this conference for quite a while, and I distinctly remember where and when it started. And it was winter of 2022 when it had just been announced that I was a candidate for department chair, and Daniel had just returned from his administrative leave after serving as the principal and vice chancellor of the university for 10 years. And we met for coffee, and Daniel said, "Is it true that you are the next chair?" And I said, "Well, it seems likely." And then he says, "I wanted to mention that I don't want to do undergrad chair or graduate chair portfolios, undergraduate program director or graduate program director in the US." And I said, "No, Daniel, I'm not going to ask the former vice chancellor to be my undergrad chair. Let us do a conference instead." And that's when the planning began. This has been a long journey, and the event we have in front of us was made possible by a Social Science and Humanities Research Council grant that I put in along with Daniel and Julia McClure from University of Glasgow. Generous support from the Bernice Nugent Bequest of the Department of History, the conference support program of the Faculty of Arts and Science, and a grant from the Associate Vice Principal Research at Queen's. I have a long list of individuals to thank. First and foremost, as many of you undoubtedly know, this conference would not have been possible without Heather Poussard's extraordinary organizing capabilities, and she has single-handedly done almost all of the organizing over the last 1 year. More recently, she did so along with managing other departmental events while planning her own wedding, which happened last Saturday. Congratulations, Heather. Thanks to Alex Martinborough and Elise Bell for your brilliant work in the last several weeks and for all your suggestions and counsel. Thanks to Mike Ross, Josh Weisenberg-Vincent, Nia Namfua, Chris Windsor, and Paige Groot. Thanks to our undergraduate student assistants, Jocelyn Cornett, Rena Drew, Ellie MacArthur, and Eva Sheehan. Thanks to department staff members, Alex Giris, Tammy Donnelly, Jen Lucas, and former department manager Matt Colby for their constant, vigilant support. Thanks to Adrian Kelly and John Fraser in the research office, Kelly Hart, Natalie Brown, Alex Fox, and Josie Burchell in the finance office. And thanks indeed to all participants and members of the audience and those joining us online from around the world. The Global History Initiative at Queen's is a research forum that brings together scholars and students working in the field of global history in annual events, academic exchanges, intellectual collaborations. And some of us here like to think of global history first and foremost as a critic of our historiographical inheritance, a critic of received categories and concepts, and a new way forward for working with historical processes that cannot be contained within predefined and artificial geopolitical boundaries. Daniel and I hope that this event and the various associated smaller events and resulting publications will help us shape and refine the future of global history.